Good morning. I want you to listen to the woodpecker and watch him picking at the palm tree. I'm going to walk closer. We're going to see if we can see him better. I've got the dog, so that's why it doesn't go as smoothly as I'd like it to. There goes one flying by. The woodpecker and the palm tree. Who knew? I think the owners are coming.